I didn't realize, like, the building over there. I'm so stupid or careless or what? Is it on me? Hello? Is it just that? No, I don't think so. Oh my god, I got so scared. What the hell was that? They didn't even can see me. Maybe there's a homeless person here living. This is the look from the front. It's been always locked. See? It's locked. But there was one time that it was open, that I could get in there, and I did a whole exploration in there. I felt really special. I made a video about it like a month ago. So if you want to see, come visit my YouTube channel and please watch it. One time when I visited there was a homeless guy sitting on the roof, and I didn't get to explore, so I really want to check it out. I don't remember where that was. Found it. This is it. Let's get inside. Is it on? It's on. Oh, it's not dark. How can I change the light? Let's just test it out. Ooh, that's so bright. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do this. What? Oh, okay. What? What is this? Oh, glitter entrance? Okay. Fine. Cool. Wow. Is this a bathroom? I mean, restroom? Oh, a spider web. What can I see from here? Oh, really, really old. Exit. Right. Okay. A little bit echoing. Electrical thingy. Cool. And shelf. Why are all these trees sitting there? What's the purpose of this? Who brought them? And for what? Oh, the pipe is connecting to...
What's that? I can't see. What is this? Can you see it?
There's another boat. Interesting structure. What is this for? I've never seen building constructed like this. The whole... Okay. Last time I came here, this homeless guy was sitting on that roof over there. Right there. Why is this way? There! Oh my god, look at this. So beautiful. Right at the moment I was... Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I go away? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. There was a homeless person in it. Oh my god. I just entered and I wanted to say something about the graffiti, and I heard the noises and I turned to it, and there was a homeless person sleeping. Just woke up, and what did I say? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like, should I go away? And he didn't say anything, but I didn't want to disturb him, and I didn't want to get killed. But I kind of saw inside the building, so okay. I don't know if I caught on camera, but I saw it. I don't know if you guys could see it, but we'll see. Let me see the footage. I'm so sorry. Did I go away? I didn't realize they were there. Where is the entrance? Please give me a hint. Seriously, where is the entrance? No. Definitely identical to the one that I already visited. Should I go in? Why not? Oh my gosh! What the fuck is this? Gross! Oh my gosh, seriously! Oh my god, what do I do? Leave? I just take one and oh Jesus Christ! There you go. Stanley Harris West. You've seen it already? This is one of the twins. There is no observation deck on this, but the building is totally identical, except that it's locked. As usual, it's supposed to be locked. Yes, exactly same as the one on the east side. I love this thing. Okay. I'm speechless. I can't get in. This is not true. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got mosquito bite. Hello? Is anyone here? I don't want to disturb you, so if you want me to go away, please let me know. Hello? What is this? What is this for? Oh my god, it's so dark. It's so... You have no idea how dark this is. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn the flashlight off. Do you see anything? Oh my god, no. Oh my god, oh my god. I got so scared. Stupid water bottle. I was looking at from here. Oh Jesus. Hello? So scary. What's in this side? Just bottles. It's just empty. This is the back side. Let's go to the west wing. Completely empty. And what is this? I've seen it before. Huh? No, I don't understand. Trash, trash, trash. Graffiti, cool graffiti. I stepped on something. Oh, is that it? Oh my god! Please don't get away. I wanna. Come on, God. Oh, you're thinking what I'm thinking? It looks like a horse. Do I look scary? Am I a ghost? Am I really a ghost? Many people say getting into this kind of building is so scary, and I'm brave. It's not. You just gotta have to change set of mind. I guess there are a lot of things that people normally say bad or stupid, but look from another angle. They look really beautiful. This leads to the beach. I won't say anything, so just watch. they are protecting the bird. So please do not enter. Oh, it's beautiful. I was looking for this, some little abandoned buildings. It was completely destroyed. You see the American flag over there? That's Patrick Kessler. I kinda like this.
Oh, Jesus.
Hello? Is anybody here?
Oh my God.